Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Timi Kemza James. For our new and old subscribers, you're all welcome. I love you all. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to cut a flutter sleeve, also known as an umbrella sleeve. So let's get into it, guys. So guys, for us to start, right, you just need your pattern paper like this. You don't need that much. So what I'm going to do is to just make a point here on somewhere on the middle of the paper. It doesn't have to be a folded paper like mine here. Then from that middle point, you're going to calculate your armhole. That is your armhole round of your armhole. So whatever the number is, you're going to, let's assume when you calculated the number was 20, right? So you're going to do 20 divide by 6.28, right? So the 20 divided by 6.28, whatever you get is what you're going to use. So let's assume our answer is 3 inches, right? So what you want to find is the radius of your armhole, the radius of your armhole. So let's assume it's 3 inches. So you're going to, from this point, you're going to mark 3 inches. But I don't think mine is up to 3 inches, so I'm going to be doing 2 inches, right? So you can go ahead and calculate yours. This is just for tutorial purposes, so I'm just using assumptions, right? But you should go ahead and punch your own on the calculator. So I'm going to be marking 2 inches round on that point. But if you have a compass, that's way easier. You can go ahead and just use your compass to make a round line, right? So I'm just going to be tracing my points like so. So I'll just go ahead and mark that 2 inches here as well. Then I'll connect it round like this, right? Then I'm going to mark the length of the sleeve. So assuming you want the length of your sleeve to be 7 inches, so I'll go ahead and mark 7 inches, right? The flutter sleeve is actually a very easy sleeve to make. It's just a little mistake that makes some people's sleeve look awkward, right? So what we want to do now, after making these points, we are going to be connecting it round as well, but we are not cutting yet, guys. So I'm going to be connecting that first. So it's just a similar thing to making a peplum, right? But the difference is just a little. So by the time we are done making our point, we connect it. You can use your curved ruler to do this, or a compass. So this is what we have now. Ordinarily, you go ahead and cut this side out and it will give you your flutter sleeve. But by the time you do that, when you pick it and you start sewing, this is what you're going to have. So this side, which will be on the armhole side, is going to be way longer than this side, right? So this side is going to be on the armhole side, and this side will be on the sleeve head, right? That will be the sleeve head. So this side will be longer than this other side of the peplum, and you really don't want that. So you're not going to be cutting this circle here. You're going to be making adjustments so that you can get exactly what you want. So what you're going to do is to try so that this side, by the time you wear it, this side will be equal to this side when you wear it, right? So what I'm going to do is, from this point, I'm going to come down by, let's say, 2.5 inches, right? So I'll mark 2.5 inches here, or you can still do the 2 inches, right? It will still be okay. So I'll mark 2 inch here like so. So I have 2 inches here. So from this 2 inch here that I have, I'm going to go ahead and make this point my midpoint instead of this point. So this one will be my midpoint now. So I'm going to, from this side, mark 2 inches round. Do you get? I hope you understand what I'm doing. So instead of this my regular midpoint, my midpoint has moved, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and mark 2 inches round, and then I'll make another circle. Right? So you can see your circle has moved. So some of the volume on this side has gone back to this side of your sleeve. So this will be your new point where you're going to be cutting. So let's go ahead and cut our sleeve so that you can see. Right? So this is the next circle we are going to be cutting. So this is it. By the time I wear my sleeve on my, oh sorry guys, it just tore. So you can see this side matches this side here. So this is what our sleeve will look like. If you want to see me use this pattern to create a dress, don't forget to write that in the comment section, because my next tutorial will be on a dress that has a flutter sleeve. So if you want to see how the dress came out, make sure you comment what you would like to see in the comment section, guys. So this is it about our flutter sleeve tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, because I bring so many videos as this, so you don't miss out on anything. See you in my next tutorial, guys. Bye.